Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add banner slider in Shopify. Let's get started. So another name for that is Slideshow. So what you can do is you can head over to your Shopify editor and here you can see the template. And under the template right here, you can head over and then just click on this add section. So click on add section and then from in here, just search in here for Slideshow if you can see it. So search for Slideshow and in here you can see this. So click on this and as you can see, it will be added almost instantly to your Shopify. So what you can do is you can click on the slideshow right here, and then you can change the heading size as well to small, medium, and large. For me, I'll just use small right here. And for me, I'll just remove this image slide right here because I don't need that. So click on remove right here. And then from this, you can actually remove the image slide button from in there. So let's head over to my slideshow. And then from in here, you should be able to see your slideshow as well. So in here, you can also remove the section if you don't want it. And you can see in here a lot more things. So for example, you can also add in here some images for your slideshow like dots, numbers, and all of these things right here. Can be a full width or width only. So let me remove this section first and add a new slideshow for me. So in the slideshow right here, I can actually click on this one and click on select image. Once I click on select image, I can actually add an image and click on done. And this will be the first image for my slide. So I can head over and then click on the next slide right here. And then I can click on the slide again. And I can select on the image again. And for example, I want to add this picture and click on done. You can also upload your own picture depending on what you want. Now this will be what it looks like. This is the first slide. And when you click on this right here, this will be the second slide right here. So after you're done with that, just click on save and it will be saved on your website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.